Hello everyone, it's Shady here again. Today is another video to celebrate halfway to Halloween with a classic ghost animatronic here, Howling Spirit. This guy is 7 feet tall, retailed for $200. It was sold 2023 and still kind of sold today, online only though. But here he is, you can see. His base is, it was originally in the box, but my pieces are stuck together, so that's how it's gonna be like. But yeah, everything else is still in the box. And two more things before I start. One, I got a new microphone, so you can probably hear me better. Hello. And second of all, we got my friends here, Humphrey, and of course, Chicken Jackie. Chicken Jackie. All right. Well, might as well get started because this is a little hard, but should be pretty easy for me because I'm a professional, as you were to say. Maybe. All right, first we got coming out is, hold on. We got his big back piece here. Look at that. Oh, one more thing I actually gotta say. This guy is weatherproof, but I didn't use him outside yet, but he is weatherproof, so you could use him outside. There's his cloak. You can see his head here. It's just printed on. Right there. Woo, woo. Next, we got his back. It's a big piece with, like Death Ray, a lot of cords that I'm going to have to plug in or screw in. Also, yes, it's bent. Well, not bent, but it's supposed to be curved like that. Alrighty. Next, we got his two arm poles. We got this is the left one and the right one. Whoa. But they also have cords because they do light up. We got his main chest piece here, which is really unique because it creates like a cool light pattern. You could kind of, if I like show the light, you can see like the wires inside. Creates like a cool light thing. I'll show you a dark demo later this video, but yeah. All right, what else we got here? We got his weatherproof adapter here. Right here, as you can see, very long. Perfect for what you think. We got his main mechanism here, which raises both of his arms. Kind of like Wanda Webworth, you know. Same arm movement, but different structure, obviously. Next we got his head, which is just white plastic with lights inside. Here it is. That's with the cord. Yeah. That over there. And then finally we got his main base piece to hold him down. And last pole. He also comes with stakes to put in the ground. I won't be using them because, well, this is concrete. I don't think I could put a stake in concrete. So. Alright. Oh. Let's get started. Metal pipe? Is that you? Alright. Base. Perfection. Alright. Bring it down here. This part's a little tricky. You got this piece here with the 4 prongs. And you gotta somehow put all 3 of these prongs in at the same time while also trying to do a snap lock, which is basically impossible, but I think I did it once because some of my pieces are a bit bent. So yeah. I think this is the hard step out of all of them, really. Is just doing this singular piece. That's the hardest piece right there. And this is the second hardest, is putting these 3 pieces in. Because look at this one's bent, so it won't go in. So that one just kind of stays out for me, but yeah, that one's not gonna go in, so that's all for me, boss. All right. And second piece here. I already gotta move the camera up. Wow. Just started. I already gotta put the camera up. Well, what you have? Next we gotta put his main costume on. Where is, this guy is so hard with the cloak here, because there's just so much. So you don't really know what's the outside, what's the inside. Oh my god. Is this the head? No, is this the head? No, it's not the head. Oh wait, I found the bottom. Oh! Record-breaking time, I found that. All right. So I think then we put this on. Yeah, he leans over a lot. I'm gonna have to put the camera back. First time doing that. Well, second time, but. You know. I'm not short. Okay, maybe I am short. Okay, no, I'm gonna need a chair. I am short. But you know, I'm proud that I'm short. I'm fun sized. I'm fun sized. That's why I am. I'm proud to be an American. Or at least I know I'm chicken jockey. And even though chicken's a jockey, he's gonna chicken on me. What? No. Chicken jockey, you're gonna have to stay right there. So I'm cute. You know, the reason why it's not going in is because it's cold out, but I still do videos because I'm the GOAT. Who am I? I'm the GOAT. Oh my god. Good. Ah, there we are. Beautiful. Magnificent. Now I gotta get wherever its head is. So no head. Me. Why is there a leaf here? Where? Oh, there you are. Okay. I'm gonna have to move the chair. Son of a bee. I'm gonna have to move the chair. Because I'm just too freaking short. Did you? Alright, where's the head at? Alright, we're gonna do a bunch of pieces at once. You actually need to go backwards. Oh my goodness. This is the farthest I've actually, no, second farthest, because Death Ray was pretty far. Hi. It's tall. Alright. Now, what I need to do is put this in his head. Pretty simple. Right? There we are. There. Look at that. Alright, now we need to do this piece here which just goes right here in the middle. Feel perfection. And we get his back piece. Put it in the back. Ow. I got the burgers in the back. Trailer is attacked. One-handed. One-handed, watch. Oh yeah. Never mind. Yeah, I wonder how the neighbors feel about me doing these. I did it with one hand. I'm so goated. Yeah, I'm goated. Rah! Let's go. Okay, now I gotta do his arms, which they have cotter pins, which suck. This is a cotter pin if you don't know. These little things here, what you gotta do is you gotta take them off, and then you gotta slide them right back in. They suck. But you know what? They keep them in, so I'm fine with that. Just that this part is just a bit annoying, which is why I'm probably gonna need the chair you're on. Come here, you. Get over here. I'll put you right next to the chicken jockey. Now what I gotta do is find his arm in the midst of wherever this is. See, what I do is the good old stab and pray. By that, I mean you just stab anywhere, try to find it. Like what I'm doing right now, which is working. It's working. That actually worked? What? I'm shocked that worked. No, okay. For a second, I dropped the cotter pin. Scariest thing in my life. You know, you want something funny while I'm up here doing this? A lot of people, when they do this part, always put like on the wrong arm, you know? Like to put the arm on the wrong side. But see, it's not me because I'm good. I actually read the instructions. But right now I'm not because I'm built different, man. I'm built different. Is this the wrong arm? That's the right one. Oh my god. Just go in. You're right there. What do you mean? Oh my god. You know, no wonder I didn't do a video on this guy last year. This guy sucks to build. But he's still so cool. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, hold on. Let me just check something to make sure I am not losing it. Okay? I want to make sure I'm not losing it. Give you 5 seconds. Not literally, but I mean like... If you want to see how much steps there are to do it, if you're a noob at setting them up, that's what you gotta do. Now, what arm goes on first? L. Hold on. The L goes on that side. Let me check. Is this L? It's better be L. If this is not L. Huh? You know what? I quit. I quit. I put on the wrong arm. Just like everyone else. But you know what? I'm not mad because for some reason they make these arms so where you think, oh, you would think this one would go left arm, right? Because look at the prong, it looks like this way. Nope, this is this arm. It's the right arm. How? Don't lose it, Joey. Don't lose it. You got fans watching you. Don't lose it. And this is why I say I'm crazy. Whoa. Oh, you're still small down there. I forgot. After I'm done with this, I'll bring you back up. Just like a parent bringing this child back up after daycare. Okay, come here, son. Come here, sonny. Chill next to the chicken jockey. Oh, okay. Why is the arm so high? Oh, that's the head. Here you are. Hey, could you please? Could you please go in? I beg of you. I beg? Not even begging? Oh. This arm sleeve is so tight. That's like you have like an inch in there. This guy's basically like a skin suit. Because you're just shoving it in there. Barely. I'm oh boy. Don't drop the cotter pin. This would suck. Ah man, it's hard to get into it. What? Okay. Whew. Now I just gotta. You know, you gotta be tough on me. Hey, let's get broke DOT, the my pal respect. Oh my god. I'm just trying to make it easier myself. Even though I doubt this is making it easier, but how long have I been spending my time doing this? Just trying to shove an arm inside a piece of clothing? That sounded not good, because that wasn't good. That was not good. That was not good. What was that? No, I'm keeping it. There we are so far. Yay! Yes, he's tall. If you couldn't tell for the past... How long have I been working on this for? Not almost 20 minutes? Okay, I actually fell. You know what? I get back up though. Because I'm a strong man. I'm Saxton Hale. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Wow, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more Mr. Hee. No more Mr. Nice Guy. no more, Mr. Hee. Could I put the phone back on? Nope, that's okay. Let's try to plug some stuff in before I have to. Never mind, I gotta plug in the other arm. Hey, let's get about DOT to my powers back. Where's the sensor? Oh, no. Wait, hon. I know where the sensor is. Look at the bright. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide to escape from reality. Oh no. His sensor disappeared. That's... Oh. Well, what is that I see? How did I not notice the brown thing sticking out of his arm? Oh, gee. I wonder where the sensor is. I found it. Wow. I just did a magic trick in front of your own eyes. Sensor. I'm a magician, I say. See? I am a magician. I am a magician. I am a magician. Could you go in? Ah! Oh, my fingers hurt. Oh, what's that? My fingers hurt. Well, guess what? Now I just pulled landscape duty. Anyone else's fingers hurt? Ah, man. Come on. Not. There's like a tiny gap. Please tell me that's good enough. Let's pray to the Lord that that's good enough for me. Mama, what am I doing? I'm here building robots instead of acting like a kid. Mama, I'm tired, but now I've gone and done stupid things. Mama, ooh, I'm building robots, and I'm sitting here wasting my time. Carry on, 'cause I'm Steve. I am Steve. No, you're not. It's the Jack Black Man. Oh no. I've been saying random nonsense for the past 5 minutes, haven't I? Well, you know what? This is real entertaining. Gotta get those subs because I'm saying random nonsense. Just like Ryan Haunts and Upside Haunts and who else can I say? Me! Now we're gonna do this fun game again. Where can I put it through? Can I keep it? Or can I put it through? And that I say, please tell me I can put it through. Please? Don't put that out of context. Should I open it? Or should I keep it sealed? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Please. It's me, Mario. Please, let me put it in. It's me, Mario. How was that impression? It's me, a Shady. Ugh. Come on. There we are. Look at that. Ow. You know, woo! He's trying to knock me off. Oh my god, I'm fighting against a ghost. You know, something I had to thought about, if you tried fighting against a ghost, you'd probably lose because, well, you can't hit them. You can't hurt them. You can't do nothing to them. Because they're a ghost, that's why. Alright, we're almost done from this madness. I just gotta plug them in and we're good. Finally. I'm not sure done. Okay, hold on. I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy. Easy come, easy go. Little high, little low. Anyway. I don't know. Something blows, doesn't really matter to me. Oh. That ain't it. There they are. There they are. I guess that's the wrong one. It's stuck there. It's stuck. Ow. Alright, you don't know what I'm doing for the past couple minutes here. I've been burning my fingers. This is almost 30 minutes. I've been burning my fingers trying to do these chords. I'll show you what I gotta do. This is what I gotta do. All of that. It's not fun. It's not fun. Maybe I could put you here. Right on these perfect stairs. Look at that. You get a front view. Well, back view. That was a bad joke. Get you going, please? God, I'm so sick of these plugs. They're so freaking annoying. And the cold, they suck. You know why? 'Cause they get stuck. I'm rhyming like Dr. Seuss. So they're stuck now. Yep, they're stuck. Oh. Okay, before we do those, are there any other plugs I can do? Before I try to lose my mind. All right, they're all the same. Oh, well. Never mind, I could just keep turning this one and it won't plug in. I don't know if I said it in the video before, but I'll say it again. I have a love-hate relationship with outdoor props because they freaking hurt my fingers with the plugs. They're not fun. You know, they're cool, right? But first of all, setting them up is a pain. Taking them down is also a pain. Like, like when I first got these plugs were pretty like good. You know, they were easy to put in. Now in the cold, these freaking suck to do. I don't know why. No, if there's a little space, I'm gonna pray to God that's good. Okay. See? Okay, are we all good? Are we all good? Alright. Oh, wait. No, don't do that yet. Because I would have had to open his back again and put the plug in. I almost forgot. Thank Lord. Oh. What's the opposite side of me? Can I see? Can I see? Oh no, not the. No, you stink. The second freaking prong thing, all the way from the bottom, returns to be a pain in my butt. Because it came out. Dame, dame, W, dame, da, da. Please? Okay, that's the best I'm doing. Dame, 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 dame. I heard you. Oh wait, I could just do that. I could kick them in. Oh my god. I'm so smart. Look at that. You know, it worked for a second, and it's like, hey, wait a minute. I'm supposed to be against you, and then it came out. Well, at least we're getting to the end here, which is so good. Because now I can close it up, and then we can finally do the demo. Oh. I wish they had like a zipper here, so you could just unzip it. But instead they did all Velcro here, which gets stuck to the creepy cloth. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna be here for 5 hours. Because the creepy cloth gets stuck to him. I'm gonna crash out. If I could just get a little. Like, why are you so close? You know, when Halloween comes around, I hope I see a ton of people dressed up as two things. Chicken Jockey and Steve. I pray to God. Because I want to have just a haunted trail and then see a ton of Steves yelling Chicken Jockey and then a bunch of Chicken Jockeys running after them. Peak cinema. I want that to be a real thing. That's gonna be. You know, this is like ASMR, probably for you. You know? Psst. ASMR. I know some people like that. Don't call Howling Spirit at 3 a.m. Worst decision of my life. He spooked me. We're finally done. Ah. You're such a pain. He's so cool, but he's such a pain. That's so cool, but that's so dumb. That's so cool. It's so dumb. That's literally me. Literally me. This is a day in life and literally. Literally. So literally, I start my day by saying literally. Alright, demo time! Because you just waited 34 minutes. And whoever's still watching, thank you. Because I'm trying my best. This is going to be pretty cool. Look at that. One prong. You know, I'm gonna put some stuff on the back here because he feels like he's gonna fall over. What else can I put on here? That's basically it. Oh, big heavy box. Yes, please. There we are. Okay, let's hope that plugged in the sensor good and we can get this working. Do it one more time. One more time. All right, so, oh, on. There he was. That was not new, but Howling Spirit from 2023. Not Halloween, Howling Spirit for Spirit Halloween, which I gotta say, this guy, pretty cool. He's a pain to set up, but you know what? In the end, he's pretty cool, gotta say. Um, if you like Ghost, this guy's perfect for you. If you like classic stuff, also outdoor, he's pretty cool. Um, gotta say. But yeah, he's a bit of a pain to set up. I mean, if you're short, then you probably can't like me, but since I'm not that bad, I could do it. But I'm just saying, he's a very much a pain to set up. But you know what? I still love him. You know, I still love this guy with all my heart. And obviously, I'll always keep him, just like all my others. Not selling. But yeah, I'll do a dark demo for you now because he looks way better in the dark. Give me 5 seconds. Here we are. Now it is dark. Well, except for that. Now we just gotta wait till the light goes off. You know, I could just start the demo. He's really bright, so. Do it again. This guy looks like a shaky jockey. Shaky jockey. Alright, so there he was. So, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, or anytime you see me, doesn't matter. But remember, like, subscribe, share, follow, whatever. Just be part of the fam. Anyway, bye bye.